How to add your YouTube stream key to OBS Studio. So this is going to be required if you want to go live on YouTube using OBS. Now all you need to do is first load up the OBS app and then click on File and then press Settings. Over on the left hand side click on Stream and then click on this drop down arrow and select YouTube. Now you have two options. You can either just press the Connect Account button and it should automatically pull all of your YouTube information through. Now if you want to use the stream key, you can do this as well just by pressing Use Stream Key. And then what you can do is open up the YouTube website, make sure you're signed into the correct YouTube account. Now click on the Create button and select Go Live. You can then press Now and press Streaming Software. Now what you'll need to do is click on this drop down arrow and click on Create New Stream Key. You can then give this a name, so I'm just going to call it OBS Studio and then go and press Create. Now what you can do is click on this copy button next to the stream key. Now head back over to OBS Studio and you can go and paste that stream key inside of here. Now go and press apply and OK. Now you may be required to sign into your Google account in order to confirm the change. Just make sure this is the same Google account that's linked to your YouTube, and that's how to add a YouTube stream key.